excited to announce that we are doing an Easter trail on the 2nd and 3rd of April. So this is basically an Easter egg hunt that you can get involved in with your family on the 2nd and 3rd of April. We're super excited for this, and it means that when you sign up, you can let us know if you want to get involved in this, and we'll give you all the details that you need, including a map of where to go around Bilston. And what you'll be looking for are posters of Easter eggs in people's windows. So it's all socially distanced, so if you want a bit of fun with your family on those days, then definitely get involved in this. And for those of you who take part and complete the whole Easter egg hunt, you'll be entered into a prize draw where one person is going to win a giant Easter egg. So that will be announced on Sunday the 4th. So sign up from Monday and you can get involved in this Easter trail. It's going to be loads of fun, guys. Ladies, this one's for you. The Devoted Conference is going to be happening and it's going to be here in the building. No screens, it's going to be happening. So we've got to save the date for you. So get this date in your diary. It's going to be happening Saturday, the 2nd of October. So more details will follow as the weeks go by, but for now, get that date in your diaries and we'll hopefully see you there.
In your kingdom, broken lives are made.
This one's for you. Over Easter, we'll be taking a little break with Kidstream. However, we are going to be having a catch-up Zoom session on Sunday, on Easter Sunday at 4 p.m. So make sure you join us for some games and chat. And when we're back after Easter, we're going to have a brand new theme. So keep your eyes peeled. Easter is coming this week, so guys, on Friday at 7 p.m. we have got our Good Friday Communion service happening, which you can join either online or here in person, but you've got to sign up if you want to be here in person. On Saturday, we've got our Excel Easter quiz, so you can sign up for that, which will be happening 6 p.m. on Saturday. And on Sunday, we have got two services. We have got our 11 a.m. Easter service, which will be live streamed, but you can also join for the watch party audience. And we'll have a usual 6 p.m. service as well. So make sure you join us for all of that, guys. Over Easter, we're putting together some Easter hampers as part of our food bank. So if you are someone or know of a family that are struggling a little bit and would like some Easter eggs for their children, then you can head down to Excel Church on Saturday, the 3rd of April from 12 p.m. till 2 p.m. to collect an Easter hamper. So they'll be subject to availability, but you can just head on down here and collect one so that you can get an Easter egg for Easter.
When we see you, we find strength to face the day.
So don't forget, this Wednesday is our new leadership development night where we'll be joined with Lance Blackwood. But make sure that you do sign up if you want to join us, as it will be different links to our usual prayer and Bible study at the Connect Group TV. So you can sign up to get those details and join us at 7:30 on Wednesday for that. That's all for Excel News, guys. So have a great week.